So here are the tools I use for this project. This is a Rainbird micro spray. I use 4 90-degree sprays and 2 180 degrees. These two are optional. Those are the tools I use to fix the 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch tubing to the raised bed. And this is a barbed tee, which can help the 1/4 inch tubing to branch out into 2 tubings. And this one is used to punch a hole into the 1/2 inch tubing and connect to the 1/4 inch tubing. And of course, this is 1/4 inch tubing. One thing I want to mention is do not use this pressure compensating. It does not work with any sprayers. It only works for drip emitters. So this is how I set it up. I have this 1/2 inch tubing goes along this wall as the main line, and then I use the elbow to go along the shape of the raised bed. Then I break it into 3 points to connect 1/4 inch tubings, and each 1/4 inch tubing is connected to 2 sprayers using a barbed tee. So these two are 90 degrees, those two are 180 degrees, and the further one are 90 degrees as well. Here is a close-up of how I set it up. Okay, so let's zoom in. So you can see I have punched the hole on the 1/2 inch tubing and then connect a 1/4 inch line over here, and here I break it into 2 lines by using a barbed tee, and then one line goes to this sprayer, which is a 90 degree, and then the other line goes to this one, which is a 90 degree again. So yeah, for the same way, in the middle one I did the same thing, connect a 1/4 inch tubing from the 1/2 inch and then fix it to the wall so it stays on the edge, and then another barbed tee, connect to 1 and 2 emitters for 180 degrees.